All right, so we all know my impression of the car because I drove Justin's, but what do you think?
Well, first of all, anybody knows me, drives with me, knows I have a heavy foot. And this would get me in serious trouble. Like,
yeah, I think you would spend a lot of time in jail. Your insurance rates would...
Out of light, you just want to get on it.
Yeah.
It's addictive. That was nothing.
That was nothing. I barely had it pushed.
That's enough to get your attention.
Yeah, it puts a smile on your face.
Wow.
That sound.
I can't even imagine what this thing is capable of doing because we haven't gotten to that point yet. Holy. Hey, it's beautiful. The Stingray doesn't do that.
No, it doesn't. And it's not to knock the Stingray, but, you know.
That was like, we're not even past 30 miles an hour right now.
Now right now we're just hit 32. You know, I always have to be careful when it's not your car, you know?
Oh my gosh, this is better than Disneyland.
I know. Who needs a ride that just goes, where you got 16-year-olds running it? I'd rather have this, and I feel much more safe.
Okay, we're still in the city. We're still in the 35-mile-an-hour zone.
Yeah. All right, Steve, what do you think about the car so far? Mainly the sound. I mean,
sounds probably the reason to have it.
Absolutely.
It's definitely totally different sound.
Beautiful.
Man, can't even get on it because this road's so bad.
I know. So the cool thing I like about it is you can actually hear the inside of this car. You can hear the exhaust inside the car without even having an aftermarket exhaust. I know AWE takes it to the next level, but even as a base, it's phenomenal. I mean, listen to that.
Oh man.
I mean, how impressive is that?
So, there's a red light, and there's Jason.
Red light to red light.
And Vet Syndicate in a Z06.
Yes.
I say we freaking launch this sucker. Or definitely
get a little bit of power, but this car's for sale. It is beautiful. We love it. I highly recommend it. If you've got the means, this is the car for you. And Amplify Orange, fantastic.
My light's gonna turn green any second. Yeah. There it is. You're definitely holding back.
Oh yeah, it's not my car. It's not my car. It's lower mileage. I'm not gonna get crazy with it.
Right.
All right, man. You ready?
Let's see it.
Oh.
Wow.
That sound is awesome, huh?
Yeah. That flame closed ahead, right?
Yeah.
It goes to 100 real fast.
Yeah. There's a major difference between a Z06 and a Stingray. I have to say, there's like
it's night and day. I get it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's such an amazing car. Again, this is for sale right here. Look, Corvette Warehouse. Make sure you go call these guys. I think this is an amazing car. If I was ready at the moment, I think this would be the car that I would go with, because this Amplify Orange, what do you think about the color?
This is actually my second choice, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice.
Yeah, you said you considered it on
yeah,
the torch when you got torch red, right?
And my order is red, black. I'd love to have black. Actually, black's above red. I have red, but I just don't want to take care of black. So, could you imagine me with black?
Yeah, no.
How bad I am
the
with
OCD
red?
would be like, I mean, you're already off the
other
chart.
day, Jason goes, I go, that is it.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, okay. So, but yeah, man, such a beautiful, beautiful spec. Again, 3LZ. It's got like 1,500 miles, 14 something. Brand spanking new, 3LZ hardtop convertible. Man, you just can't get any better than that. Carbon flash painted roof and nacelles. This thing is an amazing, amazing, amazing machine. So if you guys are interested, like I said, all of the information right there, Corvette Warehouse. Make sure you give them a call.
Or you can go here.
Yeah, Dallas Cabaret. Next best place. Maybe not. Anyway, everybody have a great week. Thanks for watching.
The camera you wanted to put these on. Because I thought we should jump and go high five, like in the layer.
Yeah. We'll try and see what happens.
Ready? So ready, 1, 2.
Hey, we got to get our feet out.
Oh, yeah.
Your legs back.
So everybody watching us do that? Yeah, they're watching us do that. Ready? Oh, we gotta look at the camera?
Yeah. It was going to be hard to hit our hands though.
I know. Maybe
We could just go like that.
Okay, so I'll count through it again. 1, 2, 3. See without even doing that.
I know, I did that earlier.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. There you go.